Hi you guys, Mrs. Valdivia. So I'm going to make a video on purchasing your access codes for Chem 10. So the first page we're going to start is we're going to start off at the Chaffey College campus store, right? How do you get there? Google Chaffey College campus store and you'll get directly there. All right, now that I'm here, search bar, type in chemistry, click on this first box right here. I'm going to scroll down. Yes, this is what I want, but we also have other things. This is the book itself. We want to actually go to your section. Your section is going to be one of these two for this term. Okay. Now that we're here, it says Achieve and LAFLO access codes are physical items. They will not, repeat, will not be automatically emailed to you after purchase. It takes a couple days and you have to go physically pick them up. Okay, so we're going to click on Lab Flow and we're going to click on Achieve. Okay, these are the two items that you want for the class. If you want a textbook, a physical textbook, you're going to click on this one. We do not need the physical textbook in this online course. So these are my two recommendations. Purchase. Confirm your cart information. Okay, this is what I want. I want one of each. Lab Flow. Oh, actually, yes, this is the one I want. Update totals. Perfect, that looks better. Now I'm going to check out. Yes, continue to shipping information. Okay, now that we have shipping information, I went ahead and auto-filled some information. Okay, right here. And continue to payment method, no thanks. Okay, now that I have this, we want to know if we have a grant, how are we going to use it? Simple. Scroll down to payment method. Okay, so right here on payment method, click it, go to grant. You're going to enter your student ID number. Okay, so whatever your student ID number is, that's what you want to click. All right. I don't have a student ID number. I'm faculty, but you would enter your number and you're going to get a certain amount that's going to go there. So if you have, not writing. Okay. So if you have 9.5 credits or more, you get $300 to use. If you have 9.5 credits or less than 9.5 credits, you only get $100. But you would go there and you would click, like I said, on grant. Trying to get away from this pen. There we go. So you would click on grant here on payment method, put your student ID number, and they apply to my order. And it's going to apply however much money you have for your grant on it. If you only have $100, by all means, that's $100 free dollars, and you only have to pay $65.39. So that is, wow, that's something kind of I wish we had back in my day when I was young. All right, anyways. Okay, so you just make your total. If you do have to make other payments because your grant didn't cover it all, whatever method you're going to use, if you have EOPS, if you have a scholarship, if you have a credit card, you just put in your credit card information and you pay from there. And then you have to physically pick up your orders at the bookstore. So you physically, one more time, physically drive, walk, take the bus, however, whatever you need to do, you go to the bookstore and you pick them up. I recommend you print out your order form and take it with you with your ID so that you can get your codes. All right, I hope this helped you guys in figuring out how to use your grant and what are the items that we need. Ciao.